Hello, I'm your host, Charlie McKinney. And I'm your co-host, Linda Frazier. In this program, in the series called On the Other Hand, we're going to talk about, Charlie, we're going to discuss hand shapes and similarities. And our right and our left hand right. So there's a dominant and a non-dominant hand in American Sign Language. So first there are signs that have both hands moving. And then there are signs that have movements and show shapes. For example, maybe. It goes up and down. If you sign it this way, that would be wrong. So you want to make sure that your hands are the same shape. Some hand shapes can only be dominant hands. I'll show you an example. Full. Word. There's only one movement at a time, so the hand shape in the sign can be different. If both hands are moving, you need to have the same hand shape. I'll show you an example. Here, America. Party. But if you decide to have different hand shapes, only the dominant hand can move. For example, week, spring, pumpkin. In this program, you will learn about signs and vocabulary for food. We're going to discuss classifiers using similar cup, lunch, dinner, pancakes, eggs, pancakes. Where are we? That's sausage. This and that are used to show and make clear what you're discussing. So they're going to use the same hand shape if you're signing this and that. This is something, the word this is used for something that's near you. So if I sign that's this, these are all my books. So it's got to be something near you. So these are my books. That is used for something that's far away. That is my book. Those is a plural form of that, and is used for more than one thing. Those books are mine. When discussing places, you need to get to the point and use nouns, so let me show you. I can't imagine that. It's used to show things not there and make them clear. Let me show you. My dog, that one, dug up all of my flowers. Uh, we have done a lot of classifiers, but it's never enough. Classifiers are really important to sign language. And personally, I think that we need to discuss them often. So after this program is finished, continue to discuss these classifiers and how you can use them to show nouns. So I want to show how much more water I want. I want this much. If I want to show you a little, I'd like some more water. See, you can clearly see how much water I want. You can also use it to show unity. I have this much homework, or I'm lucky, I only have a little homework. Classifiers can be used to show amount, big, small, little. You can show size. Here are some more examples. So Charlie will sign a sentence in PSE, then again using ASL, and you will see a lot of information in ASL is given. I threw away a lot of papers on my desk. I cleaned my desk, threw away a lot of papers. I put my tax papers in the closet. I put all of my tax papers in the closet. I have a little bit of work left. With ASL, you can show the amount, and you can with a raised eye, shoulder, and a squinched eye. A lot of stuff you show with this facial expression. You can use these classifiers in your signing and in your socialization. My favorite dessert is ice cream. I love going to the ice cream shop and trying different flavors. Really, the workers don't understand sign language, but they understand me. I just point to what I want. I show them that I want it in a cup. I ask for chocolate, syrup, and a cherry on top. My favorite dessert is ice cream. I like to go often to the ice cream store and try different flavors. Really, the workers, they don't know sign language, but they seem to understand me. So how is I just point to what I want, show them that I want it in a cup, and then tell them to please add chocolate, syrup. Oh wait, and one more thing, a cherry, right on top. Discussing classifiers is a lot to do, and it is very important. You need to practice vocabulary word. Classifiers are used to show information. This classifier is important to show size, shape, or a plate. It can show the size of the plate, the movement, you can move the plate or hide the plate under the table. Or set the dinner table with many plates. Sometimes when people learn ASL, it's important to focus on this. See you next time on the series On the Other Hand.